Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to download, install, set up and use TeamViewer on your Mac. TeamViewer is one of the most popular remote desktop applications available today. It lets you access another computer remotely, control your Mac from anywhere, share your screen, transfer files between devices, provide technical support, join online meetings. The best part is that it's available for macOS, Windows, Linux, Android, and iPhone. Now let's download it. Open the browser first and search for TeamViewer for Mac. Then press enter. Now you can see here macOS download TeamViewer. Click on it. Now you can see here download TeamViewer option. Click on this button. As you can see, the download is started. Let the download be done first. As you can see, the download is successfully completed. Now let's install it. First, double click on the DMG file. Now you can see here install TeamViewer. Double click on it. Now the installation process will start. Click on open. Now just check the box. I accept the EULA and the DPA. Now click on continue. That's it. Now the installation will start. Click on continue. Then from here you can just change the install location. Then click on install. Then provide your Mac password here. Then click on install software. Now the installation will start. Now you can see on my screen the installation was successful. Now click on close. Now close this and let the app to be launched. As you can see, it is popping. It means it is opening. As you can see on my screen. Now you can see the interface of the TeamViewer. You can see here session code. Just enter the session code here of the device you want to get access, and you can see your ID and password as well. You can give your ID and password to anyone else so that he can access your device. And at the top you can see here setting. Click on it. Now from here you can give permissions to this app. Let's suppose you want to give permission to audio. From here click on audio and just apply it and enable this option. Click on video to get access. Just click on video and click on allow, and then you will get access of this video as well. And you can see here your display name. Just provide your original name here, the name you want to enter, so that if anyone joins the meeting it will show you your name. Then click on apply. That's it. Now close this. Now if someone needs to help you, simply open TeamViewer, share your ID. You can see here ID. Share your ID, your password. Once they enter this information, they will be able to connect to your Mac after you approve the session if required. Never share your ID and password publicly. Okay? And if you want to connect to another computer, okay, ask them for their TeamViewer ID and password. In TeamViewer, enter the partner ID here. Okay, then click on connect. You can see here the option. Click on connect. Within a few seconds you will be connected and can control their computer remotely. Remember to connect only to people you trust. Now let's know some common problem and fixes. If TeamViewer is not working properly on your Mac, Try these fixes. Problem number 1, black screen. Check the screen recording permission is enabled or not. Problem number 2, can't control the mouse. Enable accessibility permission in privacy and security. Problem number 3, connection failed. Make sure both devices have a stable internet connection and are running the latest version of TeamViewer. Problem number 4, slow performance. Reduce the display quality in TeamViewer settings or close unnecessary applications. And that's how you can download, install and use TeamViewer on your Mac. Now you know how to install TeamViewer, set up permissions, connect remotely, share your Mac and fix common issues. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications for more Mac tutorials. Thank you for watching.